Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Mystery Box Day. If you're watching this video and it just came out, quickly run, don't walk to the Cricut website. I have linked this box below for you. It is an affiliate link at no cost to you. But this is newly released today, the Bargain Blitz Mystery Box. And Cricut does send these to me to review for you so that you can see what's inside before you purchase it or right after you purchase it or however you want to do it. But there is a cutie inside. Okay, so this is the Bargain Blitz and let's check it out. Okay, first off, Cutie. We will see what color she is last. Then we have this box. This is a big box, actually. It's pretty hefty. 15 foot of removable vinyl in matte blue. I love their matte vinyl. It just looks really cool. And this is 15 feet of blue. What can I make with that? Ooh, that is pretty blue too. So 15 feet. So, okay. Oh, this got a little bunged up. This is Cricut Premium Vinyl Silver Permanent. So that's very pretty. And this is 12 by 48. Look at how pretty that is. Permanent Glossy Huckleberry. So it's kind of like a purpley blue holographic prints. Let's see if I can get that out. It is 12 by 48. Permanent. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. Whew, I love it. Okay. So permanent. Then we've got a set of finger paint. So this is gel, and the color set is called finger paint. It's red, blue, green, orange, and yellow, and it's 1.0 tip gel pens. So let's see. You know me, I'm leaning towards a journal page with all of these colors. Let me know what you would do. So there's the tip. And that is gorgeous. So then we have these little squares. I can never figure out what to do with these little squares. If you have any ideas, let me know. But their example is like guitars. Different types of guitars. So this must be iron-on, metallic iron-on mosaic. So it's all these little squares that you would be. That's cool. They cut out the hearts and then used the off-cut. Well, probably did that on purpose, but they used the outside instead of the inside of the hearts. And then put like a running line down the side of this baby outfit. So that's a great idea. Then we have Strong Bond Sports Flex Iron-On. So this is what you'd want to put on like sports clothes. And this is yellow. So this is the color bright yellow, and it's 11.8 by 24. I think I forgot to say the gold squares is 12 by 24. And then we have a light grip map, just one. And I know why you're really here. So let's see what color. This is the color neon green. Let's see if we have this one. I think this is a new color. Woo! That is bright. Ah! It's like the sun. Well, but green, right? So there is neon green. That is definitely true to its color. And I do not have her. Like I said, I think she's a new color. So I will add her to my collection and let's create something cool with what we have.